Subscribe and click on the notification bell to stay updated. Greetings everyone and welcome to CAFW Comics
2025.
We are now taking over your program, and we will invade the place in 3 seconds. T minus 3,
3, 2, 1. Invasion.
And now, CAFW Comics 2025 presents Invasion. Tonight's episode is the debut of Axe and Smash, the Demolition. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You have just joined the match of the Acclaim, Anthony Bowen and Max Caster versus the New Day, Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods. And look at Woods just took down Max Caster, as he thought he was gonna go. And look at this. And now, wait a minute, Max Caster got him. Boom, and he took him out. And now going for a cover. No! Kofi push Bowen on top. Boom, and now drops down on the back of Max Caster, and he lifts him up. Wham, with a power bomb. Oh, the Bowen. And he's got Kofi up. Wham, what a slam. And now going after. Wait a minute. Xavier Woods blocked it. Going to the outside, running across the rope. Took down Max Caster. Wham! Oh my goodness, and Max Caster goes over. And Caster getting back to his feet. Boom! And he just got spilled. And now here comes Kofi, and he just speared him straight outside. Look at this. And Bowen lifts him up. No, Kofi down. Look at this. Boom! And a kick straight to the... Oh, and he just took him out. And now it's a cover. It's a cover. No, his shoulders is off the floor. Kofi lifts him up. Sets him up. SOS! SOS, this is it. This is it. 1, 2. Oh, wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. I know. That isn't the Demolition. That's Smash, I think. That's definitely Smash. That's definitely Smash. And now here comes Xavier Woods. Oh, and he just threw back Woods. And now going after Max. And Max Caster was clothesline. And now he lifts up Woods. And he's Kofi holding the foot. And they're gonna set him up here. And he's still, wait a minute. He's coming back around. Oh, wait a minute, and here comes Axe. Axe is in. Oh, and Axe just threw him over. It went over himself. And Axe coming back in. And he's going after Bowen, and he just clotheslined Bowen. They're not helping anybody. They're taking everybody out. Oh, my goodness. Smashed him on the top. And look at this. And drives Kofi into the corner. And now off. Oh my goodness. This place is going crazy. This place is going crazy. And here comes Max Caster as he throws him in. Actually, he's not coming anywhere. And now he went around to throw in Xavier Woods. And he lifts up Woods. Kofi's getting back to his feet. I don't think he knows what's about to hit him. Oh my goodness. And bodies being stacked on everywhere. Oh, they just took him out, a pile up. And now, looking at each other. And they're going outside the ring. You could just imagine what they have on their mind. Yep, there it is. There it is. And incoming the tables. And now they're getting that one more table. And now they're going to set the tables up. And now Axe has Xavier Woods. Smash has Kofi Kingston. And Smash just walked over into the corner. And now Axe. Oh my goodness! What in the world? What in the world was that? Axe hitting with an axe. And Smash just smashed Kofi's head straight through the tables, and now they have their eyes set on the Acclaim, and they both jump up on the table. What could they have in mind? OMG moment coming up. I can feel it. As Axe has up Max Caster and Smash has up Bowen. And they set him up. Oh my God! The Demolition Driver. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the match that we thought we had between the New Day and the Acclaim is now over, as the New Day or the Acclaim cannot continue because Axe and Smash, the Demolition, making their debut, left them carnage in the ring. Well, you know what to expect when you see these two in future shows here on CAFW Comics. And with that being said, we'd like to thank you all for joining us and hope you enjoyed tonight's segment of CAFW Comics 2025 presents Invasion. Hope to see you again for another one. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day or night, depending on where you are. And remember, always remember, you're amazing!
Forbidden Door unlocked.